Welcome to Chapter 4, where we'll explore equipment. Start by opening the project manager and accessing your exercise files from the desktop. Go to Chapter 4 and select the project XML. Then scroll to the Plant 3D drawings and open 04_1_ equipment. The Plant 3D equipment module allows you to create equipment in various ways. You can use the Parametric Equipment Builder, design custom 3D shapes in AutoCAD, or import equipment from programs like Inventor. While some shapes are pre-loaded, the goal is to create and save your own for reuse as templates. The equipment panel is simple to use. To create parametric equipment, click Create to open a dialog with pre-configured options. You'll combine standard AutoCAD shapes to build your equipment. Other tools include Modify Equipment to adjust placed equipment, Attack Equipment to group customized AutoCAD solids with existing equipment, and Convert Equipment to transform AutoCAD 3D shapes into Smart Plant 3D models. You can also import Inventor files, including nozzles and piping connections. As you build your equipment library, you'll spend less time creating new items. Make sure to store templates in an accessible location for everyone on your team.